Nagluluto po ako ng paksiw na isda, yung red na isda. Yan, paksiw na may tomato, sibuyas, garlic, at ginger with ground pepper, black pepper yan po. And then, suka, oil, and some chicken broth. Yeah, it's boiling.